colleagues, to check your class attendance, you just go to that particular course where you would want to check the attendance. So on your right side, you have a block. When you scroll down, you'll find a block called course dedication. So this course dedication can be used to check the attendance of your students. So if you don't have it on your course, but we'll make sure that each course has one. But if you don't have one, you can always contact us so we add one for you. Okay, now click on dedication tool. Okay, so let me say this is the list of your students in your class. So you can start, okay, when do you want to check the attendance, from which period to which period. And then this 60 minutes means that stop counting the minutes when a student takes more than 60 minutes without clicking anything on the course. So it will mean they are no more on the course, so it will stop counting. It will show the total hours person has spent on a course. So if you want to get a detailed report on a particular student, you have to click on their name. So for instance, this one, it will show you the day, which is Wednesday, and then the time, and then how many minutes they spent on this course on this particular day. So you can also download in Excel. You can download for this particular student, or you can download for the entire class by specifying your parameters from when to when you will need to show the attendance, and then download. Okay, thank you.